হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকের আমাদের ভিডিও হোয়াট ইজ ওলাপ্লেক্স। The hair doctor is in the house. Hair insurance service OLAPLEX. In the simple terms, it is the solution for a majority of your hair problems. OLAPLEX is your insurance policy to both restore and maintain beautiful, healthy hair when your hair goes through chemical, thermal, or mechanical process. It becomes damaged by using it with all chemical service or by doing a standalone hair rebuilding treatment. It prevents and repair a vast majority of this damage that occurs.